Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle, and we are walking through the Springdale 260 TBWE with an outside shower, solar, inverter prep, spare tire, power awning. If you're one of those folks looking for a bunkhouse travel trailer that has a huge campsite window and no slide out with a couch and a dinette, this is your floor plan. Now, you could pick this up for just under $26,000 at RV Exchange in Pahrump, Nevada. It has the big refrigerator. It does have a 3-burner stove, a microwave, full-size bunks, booth dinette, and a big, huge bathroom. It is a dry camper's paradise because not only is it weigh under 5,200 pounds dry, but it also, if you put the inverter in with the battery pack they have on it, you can do a lot of off-grid camping. You can do a lot of trout fishing in places where there is no hookup. So that's a really positive thing. Now, if you're worried about having a bathtub, just get one of those plastic Rubbermaids and put it in the shower pan when you want to use it as a bathtub. Then you also have your walk-around queen bed with wardrobe space on each side. And if you got a CPAP machine and you have the inverter installed on it, you don't need a generator to run at night while you're sleeping. And of course, as always, in the top right-hand corner of this video, there's another incredible small bunkhouse travel trailer walkthrough.